Guys, there's no help on these, okay? Yeah, it's a wipe, I think. Close? Oh, another one close? Green? Yeah, it's a wipe. That's a wipe. Wipe it up. Wipe it up. Alright, now I know we can push P1 pretty fast.
My fault. My bad.
Next one's out. Close. Melee help. Skull.
One on star as well.
Blink if you got it when you can. Oh my. What? We need big heals here.
And yellow.
Kill a boss. What are we doing? Are we getting nuked? Why did we just get filleted there? What the fuck? Do we get lucky?
Let us see. Let's get some moonfires today, boys. Nice. Okay, we're lucky.
Can we get another one?
Fade.
Personals. Three stacks.
Doing mine first.
4 stacks.
Mains do both of yours now.
5.
Blink's on cooldown, move away.
6.
Okay, should be fine.
And cloak. Cloak.
Thank you.
Who's the hunter that keeps letting his serpent's thing drop?
I don't want to talk about it.
It's not on purpose, but it's just 0.5 hit reading.
Unlucky.
And
That's your weak or
not
also
mental.
track other people's.
No, I just see a ton of debuffs.
Hippie to yours.
They're letting it drop again.
Yeah, it's because I've had solar up like 4 times.
No excuse to drop Serpent's Sting.
Terrarium do both of yours. Terrarium do yours. Terrarium do yours.
Push it, boys. 1%. Good job.
That's good.
Teroth is just a monster hunter.
That's a good
Who is
game.
this guy?
We're less right away. Don't die immediately for no reason, please.
By the way, hunters,
Yep.
you can stand at the edge of the void zone
Yep.
and still shoot.
If you don't know that, you're not a real hunter. First one's out. It's nipple,
Red.
orange.
Between Solarian
one's out.
and Diamond.
I'm in
Diamond.
diamond.
Next one's out.
Purple.
Okay. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Saw him from China.
Very, very late purple.
Is there another one? Nope.
Come in green.
Here.
Good catch.
Red.
cooldowns again, boys.
Red.
Red circle. Red circle.
One late purple.
Sacking here.
Blue.
Blue.
Oh, no, so far.
Fear. Job. Next one's out.
It's on
Star.
Star.
Fear again.
Got one coming in purple.
Yeah, purple.
One orange as well. I'm slowing orange.
I'll deal with purple. Someone else.
I got orange.
Make a jump.
I will also taunt it.
Leave it up
Good
on that.
job.
Next one's out. Next one's out. Any sight.
Diamond.
Taunt it. I got a taunt.
I get taunted as well.
Orange.
Two.
Get
Alright,
sacks.
one red,
Somebody
one red.
sack killer.
Melee help on red.
Pain side.
Good job. Trank, if we got a trank.
Purple.
I am. I got feared. Never mind. Feared again. That's cool.
I taunt it.
You have sacked out.
Yeah, I can
The
do it.
next one's out. Finish this motherfucker.
Green.
Good job, guys.
That's what she said.
Nice.
Job with
Oh my god!
It exists.
Dude, Astro's gonna TG staffs now. Holy fuck.
True.
Dude, Astro.
Yep.
Yeah, that would be a play, honestly.
All
You
in.
can't.
I know, but if
I mean, I know,
Looking
but if you
badass,
could-
right?